Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to manage inventory using QuickBooks. As a small business owner who has wrestled with spreadsheets and manual counting, I can tell you that using QuickBooks for inventory management was a game changer for my operations. It's not just an accounting tool. It's a critical part of maintaining that perfect balance between having enough stock and not overinvesting your capital. The first and most important step is to turn on inventory tracking in your QuickBooks settings. This sounds simple, but you need to make sure the system is set up to track quantity and price/rate and track inventory quantity on hand. If these switches aren't flipped, you're missing the whole point. Once it's on, you need to accurately input all your products. Don't skip the details. Give each item a unique name, a SKU, and critically your purchase cost. When you input your starting inventory, make sure that initial count is as accurate as possible, as every subsequent transaction builds on that foundation. Now for the real power, real-time tracking. Every time you create an invoice or a sales receipt in QuickBooks, the quantity on hand for that item is automatically reduced. When you create a purchase order and then convert it to a bill upon receiving the goods, your inventory levels automatically increase. This continuous real-time update is what eliminates the painful guesswork and manual errors of the past. My key piece of advice, based on experience, is to utilize the reorder point feature. This is what keeps you from having stockouts. For each product, you can set a reorder point, a minimum quantity that triggers an alert. When your inventory hits that level, QuickBooks tells you it's time to order more. This function alone helps you maintain optimal stock and stops you from losing sales because an item is out of stock. Finally, you must run and review your inventory reports regularly. Specifically, look at the inventory valuation summary. This report tells you not just how many items you have, but also the value of that inventory, which is crucial for your balance sheet and cost of goods sold. Analyze what's selling fast and what's sitting idle. Use that data for smarter purchasing decisions next time. Using QuickBooks to manage inventory isn't just about counting boxes. It's about leveraging its automation and reporting to optimize your cash flow and keep your customers happy. It saves time, prevents errors, and gives you a clear financial picture of your products. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.